A little nonsense is what I need. Now if you wanna get the best of me, got you smiling, that's for sure. Funny how you had the best of love. I don't know if I'll make it.
少个都念到。
Birthday. I am turning 31, and to be honest, I kind of forgot my birthday was coming up. I don't really know what's gonna happen throughout my birthday weekend, starting today till Sunday. So we shall see what happens. I'm getting my free Starbucks drink. My Starbucks. And my cake pop. Hey, Moppy. He was gonna throw my cake pop out. A very quick response to him.
That was on the slow reaction.
This Moppy over here was gonna go throw my cake pop away, and it's my birthday. Yo mucho tal, yo mo gonna put Moppy, olha. What?
You reacted so fast.
Gonna taste my strawberry lemonade acai. Oh my god. I get no berries because I don't like the berries. So it's just juice. Oh. This is so good. Try it, baby. Try it, try it, try it.
It's good.
Oh, it's actually good today?
It's watered down.
No, it's not.
Oh, no, it's sour. No, it's not good.
He always asks me, why do you always get this drink? It's so sour. It's so good. It's not nasty. You nasty. This is good.
That's thank you.
He asked you if you were a mobile order.
I did. He didn't ask me for the code yet.
Oh. I got french fries. You already know I got my Starbucks. A cake pop. And then some chicken nuggets and buffalo sauce. After work, I completed my nails. So I was very bougie with it. These are my birthday nails. We're gonna go to a Hmong bar, cut cups and chairs, and we're just gonna eat. And to be honest, this wasn't even my idea, okay? Like, the original plan was to just go there and eat. But then since it's my birthday and I didn't tell anybody until today, that everybody's like, oh yeah, we gotta come up for Sunny's birthday. And I'm like, you guys, it's not for me. Like, I genuinely just wanna go there and eat because I've been craving the food, so I just wanna go there and eat. We got beef brisket, mumlo, some egg rolls, and then we got some drinks.
Makes sense. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, that kind of thing. Yeah.
Huh?
I just put mumbo.
Cheers. Thank you. Thank you.
21 years old.
Yeah, 21 all over.
Whoever 21. Whoever 21.
You're so old. 21. I feel like we were living half a year. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear sunshine. Happy birthday to you. Don't blow it yet. Don't blow it yet. All right, ready? You done? Hey, what you gonna do?
Time to cut and eat the cake. Outfit check. I'm wearing dress with Converse. He's wearing a polo shirt and khakis and Nikes.
She goes her own way, like they don't give a damn girl. And my God, she owns it. So many heartbreaks, goes back to 2014.
I came to get mouthwash. This one. I gotta get the big one. Oh, should we get 2 of these? Oh, okay.
One of these are under.
We have 2 of those at home. I prefer to I prefer to use this one.
And I think that she knows it. And if you've seen her, I know that you would believe it. Cause I know that.
Hi, Chepa. Today is actually my husband's birthday, but we are helping one of our videographer friend take photos and do videos. So right now we're at a wedding venue, and it's so gorgeous here. But this is my first American wedding photo shoot, or like not photo shoot, like photos, like overall. So it's a good experience, and thank you to our friends seeing pictures. Go subscribe to them.
Have you ever been in love? Have you ever?
Hi guys, it's a new day, and I'm cleaning up my mess, watching Never Have I Ever. I think this is my new comfort show now.
I always give away too much. It's like I've got no sense of touch. I'm always pouring out my heart, no little by little here. I'm always pushing things too far. 2, 5, 6, 10 drinks at the bar.
All cleaned up. I always have horrible allergies during the fall season and spring seasons, and it sucks out. Cheers! Because, buddy.
Careful.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Yo.
Happy birthday,
Dear Victor and Sunny.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay! It was at 9:30 when I went to come. Yeah.
You only get 3, I get 3. Do your other half. These are the ones that doesn't blow out.
Oh, beyond.
You got one more left. Thanks for the food, you guys. Yeah. Out the door? Why out the door? It was birthday.
It is Sunday.
Yeah, and it's after church.
People are supposed to.
I'm gonna end the vlog here. My husband and I are gonna be busy editing some client work. I hope you guys like this birthday vlog. It's kind of all over, but that's how my life is. Sometimes it be all over. The unexpected is the best thing ever in life. Bye.